for example, without stress. Be unhindered with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly.
Kahumara.
And listen to others, even to the dull and ignorant. They too have their story. They too have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are deceiving. Compare yourself with others. You may become vain and bitter. For always, there will be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career, however humble.